Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we will see prime factorization. Prime factorization means expressing a number as a product of prime numbers. Let me take example 12. 12 can be represented as 2 into 2 into 3, which means, let me write here. Let me write prime factorization for 12. We'll start with 2. 2 6 are 12. 2 3s are 6. 3 1s are 3. Means I can write 12 as 2 into 2 into 3. 2 2s are 4. 4 3s are 12. So 2 and 3, these are prime numbers, right? So we can represent any number, not only composite, not only prime, any number. We can represent any number as a product of prime numbers. These are prime numbers, right? And one more important thing, by writing prime factorization, we can tell for a given number how many factors are there. Means we can tell number of factors for given number if you write it in the form of prime factorization. Means 12 can be written as 2 into 2 into 3, right? Which means 2 square into 3 power 1, right? Because 2 into 2 means 2 square, 3 means 3 power 1. So to get total number of factors for a given number, we have to just multiply these two numbers by increasing their power by 1. Means 2 power is 2, so increase it by 1, means 2 plus 1. This is power 1, increase by 1, which gives 1 plus 1. 2 plus 1 is 3, 1 plus 1 is 2. Total we have 3 2s are 6. Means for 12 there are 6 factors. We can find for any number by writing in the form of prime factorization. So let's verify whether 12 has 6 factors. Okay, start with 1. 1 12s are 12, right? So 1 and 12 are factors for 12. 2 6 are 2 6 are 12, right? Both are factors for 12. 3 4s are both are factors for 12, right? So these are the only 6 factors for 12. Other than these, there are no factors for 12. Let me take another example. 36. First let me write prime factorization. We'll start with 2, right? Because it is a even number. 2 1s are 2. 2 8s are 16. 2 9s are 18. 3 3s are 9. 3 1s are. We'll stop here, right? Because 1 we can't divide further. So I can write 36 as 2 into 2 into 3 into 3, which means 2 power 2 into 3 power 2. Then only we can get 36, right? 2 power 2 means 4. 4 9s are 36. So this is prime factorization. For 36, this is the prime factorization. From this we can find number of factors. As I told before, just increment the powers and multiply them. 2 plus 1 into 2 plus 1, which gives 9. Means 36 has 9 factors. Let's verify. 36. Start with 1. 1 and 36. 1 36 are 36. 1 and 36 are the factors. 2 18, right? 18 2s are 36. 3 12s are 12 3s are 36. 4 9s are, right? After 4 6 6 are, means 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. There are only 9 factors. So by writing in the form of prime factorization, it is beneficial to find the number of factors. Okay, here are some practice questions. 12 already we done. Let's do it for 18 also. 18 can be written as 2 into 3 into 3. 24 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Also it can be written as 2 power 3 into 3. From this we can find the factors also, right? Which means 3 plus 1 into 1 plus 1, because it is here 3, it is here 1. So just increment by 1, 3 plus 1, 1 plus 1, which gives 4 to the 8, means 8 factors are there for 24. It is also 2 square into 3 square, which we have done now. And for this 2 square into 3 power 1 into 5 power 1, number of factors will be just increase 1 and multiply. 2 plus 1 3 into 1 plus 1 2 and 1 plus 1 2, which gives us 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12. Means for 60 we have 12 factors, and its prime factorization is 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. Here are some points. Factors obtained must be prime numbers. These are prime numbers only, right? And composite number can be written as a product of prime numbers. Yes, it's true. This is composite number, right? It can be written in the form of prime factorization. Prime factorization is useful in finding HCF and LCM. Yes, it is useful in finding HCF and LCM. Here are some practice questions. Find the prime factorization for 20. Find it. 20, 2 tens are, 2 fives are, 5 ones are. So we can write 20 as 2 into 2 into 5, or 2 square into 5 power 1. For 30, do it for 30. 2 15s are, 3 5s are, 5 ones are. Means we can write 2 into 3 into 5. Right for 45. 45. We'll start with 3 because it's not a even number. 3 15s are, 3 5s are, 5 ones are. So 45 can be written as 3 into 3 into 5, or 3 square into 5 power 1. And we can find number of factors also, which is just increment both by 1 and multiply. 3 into 2, 2 plus 1 will become 3, 1 plus 1 will become 2, 3 2s are 6, total 6 factors are there. But prime factorization is, this is the prime factorization. What about 72? Let's try for 72. 2 3 6 36, 2 18, 2 9, 3 3s are, 3 1s are. Means we can write 72 as 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3, which means 2 power 3 into 3 square. And from this we can find number of factors also. Please do it yourself. And 100, we'll solve for 100 also. 2 50s are, 2 25s are, 5 5s are, 5 1s are, which means 100 equal to 2 square into 5 square, right? So number of factors will be 2 plus 1 into 2 plus 1, which gives 3 into 3 9. Total 9 factors are there for 100. And these are some homework questions. Please try to solve on your own and let me know the prime factorization and also number of factors for each number. And we'll see you in next video. Thank you.